Create a unique splatter stenciled background on your next digital project using a splatter brush and any embellishment. I'm beginning here in expert mode in Photoshop Elements, but the directions are exactly the same in Adobe Photoshop except where noted. Begin by opening the layer document that comes with the download. Included in the layer document are a paper and a heart embellishment from the Metamorphosis kit by the talented Kim B Designs. In the Layers panel, click on the Heart Metamorphosis Kim B Designs layer to make it the active layer. On the document, click and drag outward from a corner handle of the bounding box until the heart fills a good portion of the page. I'm using around 560%. Click the check mark to commit the change. I'm only using this heart element to get a shape for the splatter effect. I will not be using this particular heart element on my finished scrapbook page. In the Layers panel, click on the Create a New Layer icon. Double-click directly on the name of the new layer and rename it Splatter. Press Enter or Return on a Mac to commit the change. Then click on the foreground color chip to open the color picker. In the color picker, choose white. Click OK. Next, you will need to install the Splatter Brush-DS brush from the download folder. This is a brush file that we will be using in the next step. For help installing a brush, refer to the manual included in the download. Next, get the brush tool. In the tool options, open the brush picker. The newly installed splatter brush should be listed. Click on it to choose that brush. The size should already be set to 1786 pixels. The opacity should be set to 100% and the mode to normal. Click on the brush settings. The fade should be 0, the hue jitter 0%, scatter should be 9%, spacing 10%, and roundness 100%. Photoshop users open the folder Splatterbrush-DS and choose Splatter Brush 2. Please refer to the manual for the other brush settings. Feel free to vary the size of your splatter brush to fit the needs of your project. Now let's create the splatter. In the Layers panel, the splatter layer should be active. On the document, click or click and drag around the background, covering the embellishment and the background. Once you are happy with your splatter, go to the Layers panel. While holding down the Control key, that's the Command key on a Mac, click on the thumbnail of the heart layer to create a selection outline. The splatter layer should be the active layer. Then, hold down the Alt key, that's the Option key on a Mac, and click on the Add New Layer Mask icon. Adding the Alt or Option key will mask the selected pixels instead of the unselected pixels. Click on the visibility icon of the heart layer to hide it. Now the heart stencil is revealed. The last thing we need to do is save the document. To preserve the layers for later use, save the document as a PSD with a unique name. To create a flattened image, save the document as a JPEG with a unique name. Finish your project as desired. This is how I finished my page. I love the contrast between the white splatter and the dark background paper and the defined stenciled edge of the heart embellishment shape. For a free PDF version of this video, click on the download link and then make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. This has been Carla Shute from Digital Scrapper, the very best place on the web to find complete and professional instruction for digital scrapbooking. We help you get your stories told.